Hello everyone, welcome to the Love for Nature program on MI Radio. Love for Nature program highlights the importance of preserving Mother Nature, protecting the environment and the species that breeds and walks among it. We also cover some of the most beautiful locations around the world that Mother Nature has produced. Today, we're going to be talking about red pandas. The red panda is a small animal that looks like a mix between a cat and a bear. It has thick, russet-colored fur with black legs and belly. Its head has white markings above its small eyes, and it has a long, bushy tail that it uses for balance to keep itself warm in winter. The red panda lives mainly in trees and is very acrobatic and skillful at climbing. The red panda lives in the eastern Himalayas and mountainous areas of Nepal, India, Bhutan, Myanmar, and China. It prefers to live in high-altitude forests close to water sources and areas with lots of bamboo. Its face is white with reddish-brown tear marks extending from its eyes to the corner of its mouth, possibly to keep the sun out of its eyes. The red panda segmarks its territory using anal glands, urine, and scent glands located between its food pads. They tax odors using the underside of its tongue, which has a cone-like structure for collecting liquid and bringing it close to a gland inside its mouth. This is a unique adaptation that sets the red panda apart from other carnivores. Red pandas are excellent climbers, using trees for shelter and to escape predators. They have flexible ankles, they are primarily herbivores, and eat almost exclusively bamboo, but they also forage for roots, succulent grasses, fruits, insects, and grubs. They are generally quiet animals but may make subtle vocalizations like squeals, twitters, and half quacks at close proximity. Red pandas are an endangered species with less than 10,000 left in the world, and their population is rapidly declining due to various reasons. Habitat loss being the most significant factor. The destruction of their natural habitat through deforestation has resulted in a decline in their population. The forests in the Himalayan region have been disappearing rapidly due to logging and the conversion of forests into farmlands, which has left the red pandas with little space to live in. Poaching is another significant threat to the red panda population. There is a high demand for red panda fur and body parts in traditional medicine and for other cultural practices. Illegal pet trade is also a threat to the red panda population. People find these animals adorable and want to keep them as pets. But red pandas are not domesticated animals and cannot thrive in captivity. Red pandas are also highly selective when it comes to breeding, and their low nutrient diet can only support one cub at a time, which makes it difficult for breeding programs to be successful. Moreover, their inability to adapt to changes in their environment makes it challenging for them to survive outside their native habitat. All of these factors combined make red pandas highly endangered and at risk of extinction. Red pandas are a unique animal that live in South Asia's forests. They are important for preserving the environment and helping combat climate change. They are an indicator of the overall health of eastern Himalayan forests, which are home to many other threatened species. To protect red pandas and their habitat, there are various organizations that work to establish protected areas and wildlife corridors. The Red Panda Network and WWF are two groups that are dedicated to conservation efforts. People can get involved by donating, fundraising, or taking part in ecotourism. They can also pledge to protect the planet or virtually adopt a red panda. By protecting red pandas, we can also help protect forests and promote cleaner air, oceans, and reduced runoff.